WBTV Live Weather Center. This is your day planner forecast with meteorologist Sam Riker.
Hello everyone, your day planner forecast is brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. They are located at 5847 Getwell Road in Suite A8, right across from the water tower. Relax and enjoy the birds. Today, not a lot of variation in temperatures. Probably foggy still at 8 a.m. with a temperature around 64 degrees. Partly cloudy at noon, 65 degrees. And at 5 p.m. after the sun has set, partly cloudy skies. Temperature 61. Winds from the west today, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Relax and enjoy the birds at Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven at 5847 Getwell Road.